Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. When was the last time that you felt calm yet energized? That is exactly how I felt after using the ZOVIE infrared light for the first time. And I even asked my 10-year-old daughter if she saw a difference after the first time I used it on my face. And she said my skin looked shiny. So I first impression thought, well, it's probably because my skin is oily. Maybe I was sweating during the light session, but no, it actually illuminated my skin, and I felt like it was that dewy effect that I'm always trying to achieve with makeup. I've had it for over 30 days now, and in that time frame, it's helped remove the redness from my skin, and it's even dried up breakouts from wearing my winter hat. I really love that you can customize your session. You can choose from red, blue, yellow, or any of those color combinations together. It's flexible, durable, easy to clean, and I think that makes it a great addition to any small business. It even comes with a really long cord and it fits perfectly on a massage table. It can be used on a bracket with 3 adjustable heights, and I don't feel claustrophobic at all when I'm using this light. I love that you can remove it from the bracket and you can use it on other body parts. I was surprised at how much better my feet felt after using this each night. The ZOVIE infrared light gave me the kind of results that has me convinced that this is not just for beauty, but it's also beneficial for my overall health. I think that you're going to love it too. And that's my point of view.